Hey guys, Sandy here, and I am so excited to be sharing with you the kit that I'm going to use for August, the How to Kill a Kit with Style. Now I am scrapbooking with this kit a trip to Disneyland. So let me show you what I have. So I have this 12 by 12 chipboard that just has a few in it. I want to get these all used up. Oh, I lost my... Okay, so these, need to use them up. That's all there is to it. Also have this 12 by 12 chipboard from Head in the Clouds. I've only used a couple of them, so I'm going to try to use a bunch of those. Let me move this stuff so I can show you my papers. So I do have some scraps, and I do have some full sheets. So I've got a couple scrap colors. I have this one. I plan on putting my photo up here and decorating down. I have this one from Jelly Bean Soup. This is a Close to My Heart. This is Bo Bunny. This is Head in the Clouds. It's got cameras on the back. This is Willow Lane, Maggie Holmes. This is Head in the Clouds. Some more Head in the Clouds. Probably going to use this side because I love this. Here's a pink paisley whimsical with the stars and then the ombre on the back. Here's some more stars, Close to My Heart. This is also Close to My Heart. Here is a Bella Boulevard, and I will probably use it for this side because this side is Christmas. Here's another Bella Boulevard with florals, and then on the back is this green stripe. I have this Bella Boulevard Color Chaos. It's just the back of the collection strip, so definitely that. I have some authentique paper. I don't know what paper this is, but I've been holding on to this paper for a little bit because I wanted to do something with it. I have this Simple Stories thing that says there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. I have this mixed media background that I had made and did nothing with it. And then I have a sheet from Color Play, which is Photo Play, and it's got the Mickey stuff on it. So those are my papers and the big chipboard. And then for the little things I have this Hello Forever postage stamp stickers. I also have these hearts and star stickers. I've got a bunch of stickers and thickers type things. So I have High Five, which just has a couple left on it. I have Sparkle. Now this is, I had two of these, and as you can see, I've combined them into the one. This is from Dear Lizzie. It's just got some words left in it. This one is a Chamel one as well. I don't remember which one. I have the Head in the Clouds sticker sheet. I only used a couple of these as well. I also have this part of the carousel sticker sheet that I had left. And I also have these stickers from Starshine, very few left. So there's a couple things in here that I just am trying to get used up. I decided to throw in a couple of my bent up doilies. Most of my doilies are kept really nice, but a couple of them have bent. I've got this one partial sticker sheet from Sparkle City. I mean, a lot of this is Chamel because I feel it goes great with Disney photos. I got some chipboard. This is from Turn the Page, but the rest of these are Chamel. I have some Cocoa Vanilla Puffy stickers. I have Studio Calico Cork. I have some Vicky Bouton Puffy stickers. I have some Bella Boulevard stars. I also have some Glitter Girl shaker stickers. And then in here, this little box right here has a bunch of die cuts. All of my Head in the Clouds are in here. I've also got some random Disney ones and little guys that I know I will be using for Disney stuff, like some words. I've got some chipboard. I've got wood veneer, die cuts, little Mickey heads. So just anything I know that is a fun little thing that I might use on a Disney page is in this thing. And this is, I keep this, like I keep a good amount of stuff in here just to keep it fun. So that is going to be my kit for the month of August. Be sure that you click the description down below so you can see everyone else's kit for August, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that I have a good as a month as I did in July or better. So July I did 18 layouts, so I'm definitely hoping for more. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you soon.